What's up, guys? We're here at Rikers. It's in Valencia. Here's the place. 7K for one night, and I'll comment below the details. I'm not sure if pila ka packs ang 7K, and they have a huge function area. This is the second floor, by the way. This is the pool. The pool is natural spring water. So gikan sa Valencia, bugnaw kay siya. This is located before Pulang Bato Falls, and unan siya gamay sa hot spring. Dool jud kay ang hot spring. So let's tour. Another medium-sized pool. Wala pa nila fill in. Hi, Joaquin. Say hi. This room is good for 6. Forest view. Then they also have another toilet outside. So Joaquin will swim na karon. Let's try to go downstairs and see. So downstairs we have the bar. They have a refrigerator, and here's the pool. So sorry, naligo na. Baling pugnawan eh. Let's try atong tail. Pugnawa. Bugnaw di siya kayo. So there's the water supply. Dako dyan na place, guys. Like, sulit kayo ni for events. Bugnaw po kayo ang place. So that's the whole building. I don't know pila capacity nila, but we'll try to ask later. We also have a pond for tilapias. See? Very beautiful. I don't know if pwede mag-feeding, but great for families and events. Oh, napagani na-coin. So they try to wishing well. So tambo kayo ng tilapia dito. Natural spring water. Another ang supply. They also have a dirty kitchen and a small pool. Wala pa na fill. So they have a dirty kitchen. Pwede makaluto, pwede makasugba. Sumuni ang palibot. Wow. Full of greeneries. Then they also have a parking area actually. Let's check it. So maligo na si Joaquin. I don't know. Ignore ba kayo? So let's try to check sa parking area. So this is the entrance. Ang kulang diri is ang ilang signage and name. This Riker supposed to be nice if not diri para makita sa mga tao. And the place is exclusive if mo rent mo. And this is the parking area. Yeah. This is the whole place. Wow. Nice day. Mahatag ramig review and watch our updates of photos and video. So see you. Thank you so much.